Hey guys, this is gonna be the last time I'm gonna be in this studio. I'm moving out tomorrow. Before then, I'm just gonna start. I don't have any battery. So, I think today is gonna be the last day to stay in this studio because I'm moving out from this tiny studio because my studio was in the first floor. It wasn't really an ideal to bring all the materials to my studio all the time. So I'm moving out. Oh, by the way, I got a new chainsaw. I'll show you. So this one, the one that I already had, and it only runs for like 10 minutes with the battery. So it was super annoying. But I just managed to buy a new one. Bit heavy, solid, but it means more powerful. So I need to like have some time to wait, or I mean it's not that different from the previous one, but I'm really looking forward to using this. It's gonna have some proper work. It's a shame because it would have been the best, perfect weight and size, but it's what it is. You can't have everything. So yeah. But before then, I print out some template. I still think the seat is a bit big, like proportionally. Yeah, I think it's too big. Something's wrong. Maybe I can cut a little bit and then just like making it smaller, and also like here, like fold it a little bit, something like that. I found the problem. I think the proportion way, there's something wrong with the scale. So I'm just like trying to elongate it a little bit. Then it's the right proportion. Like still it's a bit thinner than I expected, of course. But yeah, I can just make a change without like making a change in the drawing. So I'm just trying to make it a little bit thicker, a little bit longer. Then it's gonna be the right scale, I hope. Yeah. Wait, if I just can manage. No. I'm just gonna measure it. How? Like, cause here. 5.5. And then if I just cut it and then make it shorter, 5.5. Should I cut in the middle or side? Doing like this? Yeah, okay. I think it should be in the middle. And then 5.5 is going to be right. Okay. Need to cut this thing off. Okay. Nicely done.
Connect once more to the network, to show us towards the way of togetherness and guide us to never lose the connection. Siblings, today we become one. Holy energy, guide us. Holy frequency, connect us. Holy divide us. Transcend us.
Big